Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Big Thief here on this channel, not for the first time. I really love this little band, and they feel so homemade in a way, and they're very talented, play their instruments very well, so I love that. This song is called Little Things, and it's played in the same way over and over in this song, so that's great. We need to start our capo on the first fret, and we have 4 chords to learn. So let's start with the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then comes F. You need to bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And finally we have C. 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so the chord progression will be G, A minor, F, and sometimes we will play C, because that is thrown in there sometimes and sometimes not. So I will explain pretty soon, but the main chord progression G, A minor, and F. All right. So for this one we have a very kind of long strumming pattern for F. But it's not that hard because it's actually just repetition of a short part. So let's start with the G first. We have down, down, up. Okay, so that's it for G. Down, down, up. And then you shift to A minor and play just one down. All right, so it will be. What I like to do is the muting after the G, so it's very like cut off there between the G and A minor. So like that. So down, down, up, mute, and then A minor, one down. Okay, and then we have kind of just the F part left, and you will play up, down, 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 up for 3 times. So right, so that is up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that is basically the chord progression. So if we just look at the thing we have learned so far, it's G, A minor, and F. So the G is down, down, up, then mute, I prefer that, then 1 down on A minor, and then on F you play up, down, 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 up for 3 rounds. So slowly it will be like this. And then comes the second round. G, A minor, F. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And so on. So now, what about the C? The C, they throw in there in the end of the F strumming. So on the last down, up, on the last round, in round 3 of F. So you're gonna play up, down, 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 up 3 times. So on the 3rd round, you're just gonna play up, down, down on F, and then you quickly change to C and play down, up, and then comes another round. So the last 2 down ups on the third round on F strumming. That is where you throw in C sometimes, so sometimes not. So it's up to you. So with the C, the strumming will sound like this, a little bit slower. And then new round, so. And so on. So yeah, that pretty much covers Big Thief's Little Things. So play like that and you are set for the song. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you did, please thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let's go on together. And don't forget, play tuned.